So today I'm here with my good friend, Elizabeth Sutton.
Hey guys.
She's a brilliant artist, and we're here to collaborate on a project for my own home. So I've told you I want to do my entryway with you, and I have some great ideas.
Super excited. This is my new studio, by the way, so welcome.
Thank you. It's amazing in here. It's just, I've been here once before, and it's just seriously good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah, you can't come here with bad moods. You can, but you're
Well, you
leaving them
can,
at the door.
Exactly.
You're leaving them at the door.
The minute you walk in, you're going to be happy, and that's exactly kind of what I wanted for my own entryway. I wanted to feel that burst of color, that happiness. I want you to walk
That
in and
energy
be
that
like,
you have,
that energy, yes, that we have together. Yes, 100%. So, like I was saying, for me, the entry, it's a preview of what's to come.
So
And
we discussed work using that piece over there.
yeah, totally love that piece. The installation we're gonna keep as a surprise though, because that reveal is going to just be psychotic.
I'm legit psyched, actually.
I know, I'm legit psyched also. This is gonna be an epic collaboration. So you know how much I love to watch your work, right?
I do know.
You wanna take a break a second so we could just talk about my project?
I will for you. Only for you.
Only for me.
Yeah. Come. So last time you were here, I gave you a little butterfly demo when we decided which artwork to use. What was that like, seeing that process? Because I'd love to see you in action.
Honestly, it was amazing. I couldn't believe, you know, the detail, the precision required to get the designs on those butterflies. They're extraordinary, extraordinary.
You know, it's so interesting. I feel like a lot of us creatives, we follow each other on social media, and like I see your design behind the scene and you see my time lapses and me working, but at the end of the day, like seeing it live in person, like it's
No, there's nothing like it. There's nothing like being there to witness the process. It's incredible.
You let me know when you want to reconvene, and I will, in the meantime, I will adjust a few panels on the colors, and then once you have the dimensions, honestly, you'll tweak the ratio perspective.
Well, yeah, of course. Well, we'll do that with
Sample?
exactly.
Sample?
I'm definitely gonna do a sample, but we're installing it as a wall wrap, so it's gonna
I know,
be
it's a vinyl.
right. So as opposed to being hung like wallpaper.
I know.
So what's good about that is the person,
Installation's
the person printing, the printer
Install it.
can install
Yeah.
it, and
I still
do
want
it
to be there. I
exactly.
want to see what
Oh, you
it
will
freaking
be there.
looks like.
Oh my God, you better be there.
Yeah,
Are
no
you
shit.
kidding?
Anyway, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
Obviously,
you.
you're welcome whenever.
It was a pleasure, and you know I love seeing you.
More projects,
and,
more business,
more
let's work
projects,
together.
more
Come on.
for sure.
Keep coming.
For sure.
I love you.
Love you. At the end of the day, my hair goes back, shoes come off, and this is where I go to reflect on the day, on everything good that happened during the day, and everything that went wrong during the day. You know, everything, every aspect of my life, I try and reflect upon in order to improve whatever it is my part plays in the grand scope of this life.